Welcome to our video on the top 9 nutrients to heal nerve damage. Today, we'll be exploring a serious issue that affects millions of people worldwide: peripheral nerve damage, also known as peripheral neuropathy. Are you feeling a constant tingling in your fingers or a burning sensation in your feet that just won't go away? These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're signs of a condition that can seriously impact your quality of life. Nerve damage is no joke, and understanding it is the first step towards healing. Peripheral neuropathy is a common form of nerve damage that disrupts your body's communication system. It occurs when there's damage to the peripheral nervous system, which includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It's as if your nerves are speaking a language your brain can't quite understand, leading to a range of uncomfortable symptoms. These symptoms can manifest in various ways, including numbness or tingling in extremities, burning or stabbing pain, muscle weakness, sensitivity to touch, and loss of balance and coordination. The impact of these symptoms on daily life can be substantial, affecting everything from work performance to personal relationships. Several factors can contribute to the development of peripheral neuropathy. Diabetes and high blood sugar levels are among the most common causes, but excessive alcohol consumption, nutrient deficiencies, particularly vitamins B1, B6, and B12, certain medications, and infections or autoimmune disorders can also play a role. Understanding these causes is crucial in preventing and managing peripheral neuropathy. In this video, we'll examine 9 specific nutrients that play a vital role in repairing and protecting your nerves. By the end, you'll understand how these key nutrients can support nerve health and alleviate symptoms associated with peripheral neuropathy. So, let's get started on your journey to healthier, happier nerves. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. At number 9, we have alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant powerhouse to kickstart nerve repair. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a key nutrient for nerve repair, renowned for its potent antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress in the body. This powerful compound is recommended in dosages typically ranging from 300 to 600 milligrams per day, depending on individual health needs and conditions. One of the remarkable benefits of ALA is its ability to improve blood flow, which is essential for nourishing damaged nerves and promoting their regeneration. By enhancing circulation, it ensures that vital nutrients reach the affected areas, facilitating the healing process. Additionally, ALA can help alleviate symptoms associated with peripheral neuropathy, making it a valuable ally in nerve health. The top food sources of ALA are red meat, especially organ meats like liver, spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Next, at number 8, we have acetyl-L-carnitine, a powerful nutrient that supports nerve function and regeneration. Acetyl-L-carnitine, ALC, is particularly effective in addressing neuropathic pain and promoting nerve fiber regeneration. ALC works by enhancing mitochondrial function, which is essential for cellular energy production and nerve health. Studies have shown that ALC supplementation can significantly reduce pain and improve nerve conduction in diabetic neuropathy. Recommended dosages range from 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily, depending on individual needs and symptom severity. Incorporating ALC into a nerve health regimen can lead to improved nerve function and reduce neuropathic discomfort. The top food sources of L-carnitine are beef steak, ground beef, pork, whole milk, and codfish. At number 7, we have vitamin B1, which is essential for protecting nerves from high blood sugar. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health, particularly in individuals with high blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar can lead to nerve damage, impairing their function and resulting in symptoms like pain and numbness. To combat this, benfotiamine, a fat-soluble derivative of thiamine, has shown remarkable efficacy in penetrating nerve tissues, promoting healing and regeneration. This unique ability allows benfotiamine to effectively support nerve function and mitigate the adverse effects of high blood sugar. Benfotiamine is typically recommended at 150 to 600 milligrams daily for up to 6 months, with some studies showing benefits at higher doses of 300 milligrams 4 times daily for shorter periods. As for the top food sources of vitamin B1, they are pork, salmon, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and green peas. Our number 6 nutrient, fish oil, nourishes both the brain and nerves. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, shows promise in supporting nerve health and alleviating peripheral neuropathy symptoms. DHA is crucial for nerve health due to its role in cellular membrane structures and neural development. Omega-3s help maintain healthy nerves and may slow diabetic neuropathy progression. Studies on peripheral neuropathy have explored higher doses of 1,800 to 2,300 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, showing potential benefits. However, optimal dosages should be determined with a healthcare provider. While supplements are convenient, incorporating DHA-rich foods like salmon, tuna, sardines, shellfish, and herring into your diet is also beneficial. To see our recommended high DHA fish oil supplement, which combines the benefits of krill oil, click the link below. Our number 5 food, nutritional yeast, contains all the important B vitamins for nerve repair. Nutritional yeast is gaining recognition as a beneficial food for nerve repair, primarily due to its rich abundance of B vitamins. These essential nutrients, including B1, B6, and B12, play a crucial role in maintaining nerve health and supporting overall neurological function. Nutritional yeast not only provides these vital vitamins, but also aids in controlling blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for individuals experiencing neuropathy. By helping to stabilize blood sugar, nutritional yeast can contribute to reversing the symptoms associated with nerve damage, promoting healing and regeneration. You can try sprinkling it on popcorn, stirring it into soups or sauces, or using it as a cheese substitute in various dishes for a nutty, savory flavor boost. Next, at number 4, we have curcumin, the main active compound found in turmeric. Curcumin has long been celebrated for its healing properties, particularly in alleviating nerve pain. Revered in traditional medicine for centuries, this natural remedy offers anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, making it a valuable addition to pain management strategies for various types of discomfort, including nerve-related pain. Studies on nerve health have explored turmeric dosages ranging from 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily, but it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider to determine the optimal dosage for your specific needs. To maximize curcumin's benefits, incorporate turmeric into soups, stews, smoothies, or golden milk, making it a delicious and therapeutic addition to your daily diet. Absorption is key for turmeric's effectiveness. For the best absorbing turmeric supplement we found, click the link below. At number 3, we have zinc, an essential mineral for nerve protection and repair. Zinc is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, playing a vital role in building and protecting nerves. It's involved in neurotransmitter function and protein synthesis necessary for nerve repair and regeneration. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for zinc is 11 milligrams for men and 8 milligrams for women. Studies on nerve health have explored higher doses of 25 to 50 milligrams daily, but consult a healthcare provider before exceeding the RDA. Rich dietary sources of zinc include shellfish, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Zinc is especially important for diabetics as it regulates insulin sensitivity and may reduce complications like nerve damage. Next, at number 2, we have magnesium, well known for its ability to calm nerves and reduce pain. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that plays a significant role in nerve function and pain management. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, which are responsible for sending pain signals throughout the body. By promoting proper nerve function, magnesium can help reduce the intensity of neuropathic pain and improve overall nerve health. Also, magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system, which can be particularly beneficial for people experiencing heightened nerve sensitivity. Good dietary sources of magnesium include dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. For severe deficiencies, magnesium supplements of 200 to 400 milligrams daily may be recommended. Getting enough magnesium into your daily routine can contribute significantly to managing neuropathy symptoms and supporting overall nerve health. To see a magnesium supplement specially formulated to relieve nerve inflammation and alleviate anxiety, click the link below. Finally, at number 1 is vitamin B12, the most important vitamin for relieving neuropathy. Vitamin B12 is critical for nerve repair and overall neurological health, playing a vital role in the formation of the myelin sheath, which insulates and protects nerve fibers. A deficiency in B12 can lead to severe consequences, including nerve damage, cognitive decline, and symptoms such as numbness and tingling. For neuropathy treatment, studies have explored higher vitamin B12 doses, ranging from 0.5 to 1 milligram daily, with significant improvements observed. While these doses are considered safe due to limited absorption by the body, the general recommended daily intake for adults is 2.4 micrograms. Certain diets, particularly vegan or vegetarian, are at a higher risk for B12 deficiency, since this vitamin is primarily found in animal products. To ensure adequate intake, it's essential to include food sources rich in B12, such as nutritional yeast, fish, meat, eggs, and dairy products, or consider supplementation. To see our recommended B-complex supplement, click the link below. Other than these 9 nutrients, it's important to make lifestyle modifications to support nerve health and enhance overall well-being. One of the key recommendations is to avoid inflammatory seed oils, such as vegetable and canola oils, as well as processed foods that can exacerbate inflammation and negatively impact nerve function. Instead, focus on incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich seafood, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, is highly beneficial, as omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, engaging in regular exercise can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support nerve health. To get your free anti-inflammatory diet plan, click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications so you never miss a video. The next videos to watch are listed below.